In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check previous Discord servers you joined. If you've ever wanted to look back at the Discord servers you've joined in the past, whether it's to reconnect with old communities, find a server you forgot about, or simply review your activity, Discord gives you a way to access that information through your account data. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish so you know exactly what to expect. To begin, sign in to your Discord account and make sure you're on the main Discord homepage. If you're somewhere else in the app, simply click the Discord icon in the upper left corner to return to the main interface. This is where you'll be able to access all of your account options. Next, click the gear icon located near your profile in the bottom left corner of the screen. This opens your user settings, where you can manage many different aspects of your Discord account, including your privacy preferences and personal data. Once you're inside the settings menu, locate and open the Data and Privacy section. This area contains options related to how your information is managed and gives you access to features that let you request a copy of your account data. In the Data and Privacy section, look for the Request Data option. This feature allows Discord to prepare a package containing information associated with your account, including a record of the servers you've joined over time. Click the Request Data button to begin the process. Depending on your account settings, Discord may ask you to verify your identity before processing the request. You might need to confirm your email address or complete another verification step. This security measure helps ensure that only the account owner can request access to personal account data. After you've completed any verification steps, your request will be submitted successfully. Discord will then begin compiling your information. This process isn't immediate, so you'll need to be patient. In many cases, it can take up to 30 days before your data package is ready. Once it has been prepared, Discord will send it to the email address associated with your account. When you receive your data, you'll be able to review the information provided, including a list of the servers you've previously joined. This feature is useful not only for finding old communities, but also for giving you greater transparency into your account history and helping you better understand your digital footprint. While you're waiting for your request to be processed, it's a good opportunity to review your privacy settings, organize your current server list, or update other account preferences. Taking a few minutes to manage your account can help keep your Discord experience organized and secure. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.